how to turn on or off sleep mode on Instagram. Now, in order to turn on or turn off sleep mode on Instagram, just simply open your Instagram app and log into your account. After that, tap to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. After tapping in there, you will get a bunch of options. Just simply select these three bars from the top right corner. After tapping in there, you will get to see the option of time management under how you use your Instagram section. Simply select time management and you will see the options such as daily limit and sleep mode. You will need sleep mode section, just simply select it, and after that you will see this toggle in the very top for sleep mode. Just simply enable this toggle in order to turn on sleep mode in your Instagram, and you can customize other things such as start time, end time, and you can also choose the days and tap to save button in order to save it. And after this, your sleep mode will be turned on. Now in order to turn it off, just simply turn the toggle off and your sleep mode will be disabled. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.